The Air Jordan 5 continues its tradition of bold design with the upcoming Halloween edition, scheduled to release on October 24, 2026. This pair leans into seasonal inspiration while maintaining the model's iconic performance-rooted identity. The upper arrives in a deep black finish, giving the silhouette a clean and stealth-driven look that works beyond the holiday theme. Orange accents appear along the midsole's shark-tooth detailing, adding contrast and a subtle nod to classic Halloween colors without overwhelming the design. Additional hits of color show up through refined branding details, keeping the palette controlled and intentional. Nike Air branding returns on the heel with a dual-color treatment, paired with embroidered 23 branding near the ankle. Underfoot, glow-in-the-dark outsoles provide visual impact in low-light conditions. While current images are mock-ups, expectations point toward a final release that stays true to this overall formula.